All right, I thought it'd be kind of cool to do an unboxing, if you will. This is my brand new gi. It'd be cool to show it off. I bought it just before I went on holidays, so I didn't get a chance to open it up. Here's my jacket. Let's just look at this here. Matsuro, Canada. So here's the gi. Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice. This is an official tournament gi, which is awesome. So I don't know if I'm going to go back into tournaments. We'll see. I'm a little bit out of shape. But if I wanted to, this is the perfect gi for it. Look at how nice this is. Man, it's awesome. And then here's the gi pants, which is kind of cool. Look how nice that is. Nice. It's got a little dragon symbol at the bottom. Look at that. Nice, nice. And then also my blue belt. Very cool. So maybe I'll make a video with me in the gi. So nice. Look at this. Oh man. Look at how nice that is. Look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Like it. Let's just try this on here. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Yummy. Wow, this is gonna be fun. Probably go like Tuesday night. Monday nights are no gi night. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are gi nights. So man, can you imagine? It's gonna be so much fun. Anyways, if you get a kick out of this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.